Hi guys, I'm coming to you from the Westin Resort and Spa in Cancun, and as you can see from our doorway, we have a really nice view outside. It's quite peaceful, although they're doing a little water skiing today. This is our room. We have our closet right behind the door with the safe and hanging. We have our robe that they gave us along with the ironing board. We have the coffee maker, little bar area with a mirror, and our little mini fridge, which is always important in Mexico. The dresser and a gorgeous TV. A desk if I want to work, we'll see. And then this is our balcony. This view is unbelievable. So peaceful, so lovely. We do have those boats out there today though. Just so peaceful. Just lovely. Look at those clouds today. But look at that water. Just gorgeous. Can't wait to get in it. Okay, back to the room. We have a really nice seating area out here. Enjoy my morning tea out here possibly tomorrow. And then back in our room, two really nice queen beds with a little sitting area over here and some lovely mood lighting maybe. And then I have to take you into the bathroom to show you the towels. I saw this and I had to show it to you. Look at what it says. It says heavenly. I can't wait to take a shower later with towels that are heavenly. So we've got a stand-up shower, which is always great, with a rain head shower. Great, love that. We have a gorgeous soaker tub, love it, and a clothesline so that your bathing suits don't drip on the floor and make a mess. You have a clothesline. Then we have a great sink area. You've got really nice spa treatment bath accoutrements, a little plant, and the sink. We have two bottled waters here, which is really nice. Hair dryer and a mirror for the ladies that like to have makeup on vacation. All right, well, I am going to give you one last view of our balcony out there, and then I'm heading to the pool. Enjoy.